Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. In today's session, we are going to see what is median and how to calculate median. So let's start. Now, the meaning of median, or you can say it as a definition of median, is the value. Okay, median is the value of middlemost observation in the data. So median is what? Median is the value of middlemost observation in data, and when this observation are arranged in the increasing or decreasing order of their value. Now for example, if I say the observation like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Okay, this is the observation, and median is what? The middlemost observation. When this observation, if I arrange them in the increasing or in the decreasing order, then whatever is the value, middlemost value, that I can call it as the median. Okay, so if I arrange this data in increasing or decreasing order, then whichever is the middlemost value, that I will call it as median. Okay, so median is what? Median is the central observation. Okay, why we are calling it central observation? Because it is the middlemost value, and median means the median divides the data into two parts. Okay, see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Suppose if I consider 6 as the median, okay, so it is dividing the data into two parts. Okay, this is the first part and this is second part. So this is the observation and the middlemost value is 6, and the median 6 is median, and the this observation, the data is been dividing into two different parts. So that is what? That is nothing but median. Okay, now to calculate median we require data. So there are two types of data. One is ungrouped data and second is grouped data. Now if you want to calculate median for ungrouped data, the ungrouped data is also called as individual observation. So there are two methods. Okay, so suppose n is what? Observation. N is observation, that means n is number of observation. Suppose n is the number of observation in the data. Now this data, this is about ungrouped data. Ungrouped data is also called as individual observation. These are what? Individual observation. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. These are individual observation. So if the observation, okay, n is what? Number of observation in the data, and this n is what? Odd number. Okay, odd numbers are what numbers? Like 1, 3, 5. Odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and so on. Okay, suppose if n is what? Number of observation is odd. Odd means if the observation are odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. If the observation is odd number, then we will have only what? One median. Okay, then we will have only one middlemost observation, and to find the median of that particular odd number observation, we have the formula, that is n is number of observation plus 1 bracket 10th, that is the term, divided by 2 observation. Okay, so this formula we are going to use to calculate median for individual observation, that is ungrouped data, if the observation is odd number. Okay, and odd numbers are what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and so on. And if the n means number of observation is even number, okay, if the number of observation is even number, then there are two middlemost observation. There are two middlemost observation, means we are going to get two median, the medianmost observation, and to calculate the median for individual observation for even number, we have the formula n upon 2 bracket 10th plus n upon 2, sorry, bracket n upon 2 plus 1 10th divided by 2. Okay, so we are going to take the average of both the observation, because even number, if we have the even number observation, then there will be two middlemost observation, and we are going to add and take the average of it, and it we are going to divide by 2. Okay, so this is the two formulas to find median for individual observation. If the observation is odd number, then we are going to use this formula, and if the observation is even number, we are going to use this formula. Okay, now even numbers are like 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Okay, so even numbers are like 2, 4, 6, 8 and whatever, etc. So just remember, if the observation, okay, to calculate median, it is very important to calculate median. If the median, if the observations are individual observation, that is single number like 1, 2, 3, 20, 25 and so on, if it is individual observation, and if you count the observation, okay, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now if four observation are there, that means 4 number. Okay, 4 observation, that means the observation is even number. So we are going to get the two middlemost observation, and to calculate median, we are going to use this formula. And if the observation is odd number, we will get only one median. Okay, one middlemost observation, and by using this formula, we are going to find the median. Okay, now we'll take one example. By the time, please copy down this in your notebook. Okay, so now we'll move to the example of how to calculate median. So there are steps to calculate median. Step number 1, okay, steps to calculate median. If it is individual observation or ungrouped data are in this way. Okay, individual observation are in this way. If the observation is in the individual form of data, so the steps are, first thing, you have to arrange the observation. Okay, this is the observation. We have to arrange the observation either in increasing or in decreasing order. Okay, increasing order means from smaller to the greater number, or decreasing order means from the greater number to the smaller number, like ascending or descending order. So if once the observation is arranged in the increasing or in the decreasing order, then next what you have to do, compute the median. Okay, compute the median by the following method. Now suppose if the observation, once you finish arranging the data, arranging the observation in the order, in either in the increasing or in the decreasing order, if the observation, okay, if the observation is odd number, if the observation is odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, like that. Okay, if the observation you find that it is the odd number, if it is odd number, you are going to use this formula. Okay, n plus 1 divided by 2, n plus 1 tenth divided by 2. Okay, tenth, this th means what? Th is the, suppose 4th observation, 5th observation, 3rd observation. Okay, it means th means that term. And if n is even number, so to find even number, to find the median for even number, the formula is n divided by 2 tenth plus n upon 2 plus 1 tenth divided by 2. Okay, previously I said that if the observation is odd, you will get only one middlemost observation, and if the observation is even number, you will get two middlemost observation. Okay, so remember this, if the observation is odd, you are going to use this formula. If the observation is even number, you are going to use this formula. Okay, now we'll move to the example. I hope you have understood the steps to calculate the median. So from the following observation, okay, following are the observation, and this is the observation and we have to find the median. Okay, so as per the steps to calculate median, we'll go by step. So this is the observation, and this observation is individual observation: 35, 38, 40, 39, 50, 36, 37. Okay, this is the observation. And solution to calculate median, first step is what? Arrange the observation in the increasing or decreasing order. Now it is up to you. Either you arrange the observation from smaller to greater, means increasing order, or from greater to smaller in the decreasing order. It is up to you. You will get the answer same. So now in this example, I will arrange this observation in increasing order, like from smaller number to the greater number. You can do by greater number to smaller number also. It is up to the students. Okay, so first step, this is the observation. Now first I will arrange the observation in increasing order. Okay, so I am going to arrange this observation in increasing order. So first, which is the smallest number? 35. Again there is one more 35, means 35 observation is 2 times. So write, if the observation is repeating, so write it. Okay, so 35, after 35, 36, after 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Okay, so now I have arranged my observation as per the step 1 in the increasing order. You can arrange it by the decreasing order also, like 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 35. Okay, it is up to you. So I have arranged the observation in the increasing order. So this is the observation which I have arranged in the increasing order. Now I will count the observation to check whether this observation is odd number or even number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, n is what? 7. And 7 is which number? Odd number. Okay, 7 is odd number. Okay, so 7 is what? Odd number. So if the observation n is what? 7. So it is odd number. That means I am going to get only one middlemost observation. So for odd number, I am going to use this formula. Okay, so n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so n is what? 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is what? 7 plus 1 divided by 2. So is equals to 7 plus 1, 8 divided by 2. So 8 ones are, 2 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Okay, so fourth observation, this TH means fourth observation. So fourth observation. So now in this data, okay, in this observation, count the fourth number, means fourth observation. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what? The fourth observation. So this will be median. Okay, so therefore 37 is median, or median is equals to 37. In this data, in this observation, which is the fourth observation, will be called as median. Okay, so 37 is the answer, means 37 is the median. Okay, so this observation was for odd number. So in this way you have to calculate median for individual observation if the observation is odd number. And whatever TH means the fourth observation, suppose third observation, if the median, if we got the observation as second observation. Okay, so second observation means 35 will be the median, or sixth observation, whatever the as per the example. So in this way you have to calculate median. Now next we'll see one example of if the observation is even number. By the time copy down the examples. Okay, so now we'll move to the next example of median. So the next example is following are the observation and we have to find the median. So this is the observation and we have to find the median. So solution for this example, go according to the steps to calculate median. First step is what? Arrange the observation. Arrange this observation in increasing or either in a decreasing order, okay, and see the observation is whether it is odd number or even number. So now solution, this is the observation and we have to find the median. First step I will arrange the observation in increasing order, okay. So observe this observation, and which is the smallest number? 75. Then next is 80. After 80, 94, 96, 98, 100 and 102. Okay, so I have arranged the observation in increasing order, means from smaller number to the greater number. Next I will count the observation to check whether it is odd number or even number. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So n is what? Number of observation is 8, and 8 is what? Even number. Okay, so 8 is even number. So even number will give us 2 middlemost observation. Okay, there will be 2 middlemost observation. Why? Because the observation is even number. Okay, so now it is even number, so we are going to use this formula to find the median. So write down the formula. Plus n upon 2 plus 1. This one is single, okay. Then divided by 2. Okay. Now n upon 2. N upon 2, 8. N is what? 8 upon 2. So single will do. First we'll do this bracket n upon 2. So 8 is what? N, and divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. So fourth observation. Next is n upon 2 plus 1. So 8 upon 2 plus 1. So 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. So 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. That means fifth observation. Fifth observation. Okay, so now we have got 2 observation, fourth observation and fifth observation, that is what? Middlemost observation. Okay, next so now we have got fourth observation and fifth observation, that is 2 observation. Now in this observation which I have arranged in the increasing order, count the fourth observation. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 94, and fifth observation is 96. So these are the 2 observation. Fourth observation is 94 and fifth observation is 96. Okay, now I will write here 94 plus 96 divided by 2. Okay, first I have th. Okay, first find the term, which observation, whether it is second observation, third observation or fifth observation, whatever will the observation. First find the observation, and then in your observation count which number is the fourth observation and which number is the fifth observation. So fourth observation in my example is 94 and the fifth observation is 96. Now take the average. Okay, that's why we are dividing it by 2. So 94 plus 96 divided by 2, I get answer 190. Okay, 94 plus 96, 190 divided by 2. So if I divide 190 by 2, 190 by 2, I get the answer 95. So 95 is the median. Okay, 95 is the median. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to calculate median for the even observation. This is the process to, or this is the steps to find the observation.